double wide today. What's up, Scotty?
Different because the other half, the peak was on that side.
Yeah. I think you'll be all right, Danny. There you go. See, we're worried about these branches up here. We don't want them to rip shingles off the roof or plastic or anything like that. So I've already moved the first half on the lot. This is the second half. There we go.
You're good.
It really gets, you know, tight in some of these places. A lot of cars in the way, different stuff, you know, trees, low hanging wires. So we're keeping it down the left side. We can't go to the right because it has low hanging electric wires. I think this is a 28 by 60. The skid steer is a New Holland C238. I believe it's a 10,500 pound unit. The attachment was made by Mr. Buchanan out of Illinois. It's got like a two ball attachment. We're on the lower ball. You're just trying to get it straight because this road is so narrow. We're going to basically have to hug this right side. Kind of miss this car here. He's hitting the same tracks I hit earlier.
Yeah. If it stays in it or this side of it, we should be all right.
This is a customer's home. We're, I believe they're wanting to move in the end of December. So in this month we have about 20 some days that we can set the home up, but want to get it on the lot. It's pretty nice. Blue with beige shutters. Big shout out from Franklin Equipment, or to Franklin Equipment. It's where we bought this machine. It's a beast. And I apologize if the video gets a little choppy. I'm trying to walk backwards and record at the same time. What's up, Brown Bear? We got Danny. We have a lot of people around the home, spotting the home, watching all four corners. We want to make sure we don't hit anything. So it may seem a little overkill that we have so many people out here, but you can never be, you know, safe enough. Now, this is people's property, their cars, their houses. We just want to make sure that we don't hit anything, so. A shout out to Clayton Homes, man. It's where we get these homes. Seem to be built pretty good. The double wides roll together pretty easy. Now this is actually delivered to the front of the property, and we're taking it all the way to the back of the property. The last lot we have on the left. So this machine is like paid for itself. Like we've done this probably 100 times. So. We're coming back. We're gonna go back through here. You can see the other half I got put on the lot back there. We have some construction work going on back here. These boys got the toys, man. Darby Creek. Now while he's moving the home, I'll take you back, kind of show you what we're dealing with, man. We're dealing with, this is the time of year in Ohio where everything is just a muddy freaking mess. Hey Shane, you want to be on my YouTube channel, man? There's Shane from Darby Creek. Best guy I know. So he's nice enough to just let us use these steel plates that we could put down and drive the home over, because as you can see, this is what we're dealing with. Mud everywhere. And when I put that half on about an hour ago, it was a mess. We got stuck right here in the yard, so we got some pads set up that we can run over to try to keep us from sinking, and we'll see how it goes. But we might be calling Rodney from Joe's Mobile Home Service. I'm dropping everybody's name now. Hey!
How many vehicles do they need?
Well, folks, while we get to where we're going to put it on the lot, I'm going to stop the video. But it's pretty cool, man, what we do every day. We get to see this and do this, you know, and drive through different communities and be like, look, we set that home up, you know? So, makes you feel good. Bye.